Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science with Yamini. In today's class, we are going to learn about mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. It was discovered by Richard Altman in the year 1890. Later, the name mitochondria was given by Carl Benda in 1896. The name comes from Greek. Mito means thread, chondria means granules. Definition of mitochondria. It is a cell organelle found in plant and animal cell but not found in prokaryotic cells, which means bacterial cell. It is called the powerhouse of the cell. Main functions of mitochondria is to produce energy from liberating ATP molecules for the cell. This energy is used for movement, growth, repair, all cell activities. The basic structure of mitochondria has two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Inner membrane has folds called cristae, which increases surface area for production. The importance of mitochondria is the cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. That means, example, muscle cells. Mitochondria contains its own DNA. It can reproduce itself inside the cell. Outlines. So, mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell because it produces ATP molecules to liberate energy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.